So today I'll be showing you guys how I dye and put on my new ponytail VP Fashion extensions. Ever since I've got these, I cannot wear a ponytail without them. I just feel like, you'll see in a minute that I have such a small ponytail because my hair is very fine. And this just makes my hair look more voluminous and just long and pretty, and I just love them. I know I already reviewed VP Fashion extensions before, but back then they didn't have these ponytail extensions, so I already have a video on how you can use their normal extensions. But now that they have these ponytail extensions, I just had to try them, and I'm so happy I did. I got them 20 inches long and they're silky straight, but I like to lightly curl them just to give me, you know, a little wave. So I'm going to show you first how I dyed them, then I'll show you how I put them on and style them. So if you're interested to see that, keep on watching. So first I'm going to detangle my hair using the Suavecita paddle brush, and I'm going to make sure I have no tangles in my hair. Now I'm going to use a little bit of my Suavecita volumizing dry shampoo and just add a little bit on my roots. And this stuff works really well. Not only it smells amazing, it also keeps my hair clean. I like to do this hairstyle on dirty hair, so that's why I add a little bit of this volumizing dry shampoo just to keep my hair from looking greasy. Now I'm just gonna massage it in my hair. Next I'm going to add some Suavecita grooming spray. And I'm gonna avoid my bangs. I'm just gonna add it a little bit on my hair. And this also smells really good. Now I'm gonna start combing my hair back and start creating my ponytail. As you can tell, I still have a bunch of stubborn baby hairs, and like I said before, I like a slick ponytail. So what I use for that is my Suavecita pomade, and this just really helps my baby hairs stay in place. So if you're looking for a pomade that smells good and does a job, I would totally recommend this product. I use it all the time. I've gone through like 3 bottles of this stuff. Let me show you so you can see that I'm not lying. So as you can see, I really stand by this product. One is pretty much done, and the other one, I use it to keep all my bobby pins. It just makes it easy. I mean, you can use these little containers for about anything. I've seen people use them to put succulents in them, and I think that's probably what I'm going to do with this one. So yeah. Okay, sorry for that little ramble. I am a little obsessed with this product. I'm just saying, you guys should try it. But yeah, back to the hair tutorial. I'm going to grab a little bit of the pomade, and I like to melt it in my fingers, and then I smooth out my hair. Sometimes after I put the product, I like to redo my ponytail to make sure it's as slick as possible. So as you can tell, my ponytail is very thin and short. So once I add my extensions, you'll see the difference. A tip I want to give you guys is before you put on your extensions and after you put them back away, you want to lightly brush them out to make sure you maintain them looking nice and healthy. You don't want to just take them off and put them away because they might be a little tangled. So you want to make sure you untangle them before you put them away. And I also like to untangle them before I put them on. So just a little tip. I've noticed that it just makes them look nicer and last longer. So I'm going to brush them through really lightly. And again, these are silky straight and 20 inches long. So like I showed you before I dyed these extensions, this is a little clip that's gonna hang on to your ponytail. So I just I pretty much slide these clips under my hair tie. And this little section I wrap under my ponytail. And then this extra piece right here, you wrap under and then they attach together. Once I wrap this part, I like to really wrap it nice and tightly because I don't like it looking loose. So I tighten it just enough. Once I have a little tiny piece left under, I just grab 2 bobby pins and pin them in place. At first they are a little heavy on the head, but once you start wearing them more often, you get used to it, and honestly, they're super comfortable. So yeah, I love them. So I'm just gonna lightly curl them just to show you guys what I use. So I use the Conair 1-inch curling iron that I got at Target, and I grab big pieces of my hair, and again I comb them through, and I use this curling iron as a wand, so I don't open it. I just wrap my hair around it like a wand. So I start at the top and I just wrap the hair around for a few seconds. Then I let it go. I hold it for another few seconds, and then I just start pulling it really lightly just so I get a softer curl. So I'm going to do the same thing throughout the entire extension. done combing through my ponytail, I like to add a little bit of the Suavecita hairspray. And just add a little bit to my bangs. So this is how I put on my Vpfashion ponytail extensions. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys are looking into purchasing a ponytail extension yourselves, I mean, I totally would. They're fun. I'm so happy I made the purchase myself. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!